Welcome to ABP Live Auto Award 3rd edition, an award for Autonauts, of the Autonauts and by the Autonauts. We have Simran from Jupiter and she has just won this Scooter of the Year TVS Jupiter 110. Congratulations Simran for this award. And are you an Autonaut?
Definitely I'm one. Coming into this industry I have to be one and I'm definitely one.
What was the core idea behind designing the scooty?
So TVS is a very legacy-led brand. We started with Scooty, which was also my first scooter, and with this we have launched various editions of it. Jupiter 110 is one of the innovation. It is India ka Naya Zada. So it's definitely the Zada of India.
I know, I also own one. Can you tell me one memory of you with you and your scooty? What is the best memory you had?
I think my core memory with Scooty started with my college. I did the Scooty Pep Plus in silver color and it was my first two-wheeler, and all my friends used to take one ride and they loved the vehicle. It was very maneuverable and very nice to handle. But now I definitely own one Jupiter 110 and I've also owned one Jupiter 1 IQ, which is an EV, so definitely it's a great experience.
Correct. Thank you so much Simran for being with us, and again congratulations for this award.
Thank you so much.